Hi guys, welcome to seaiti Institute, Kerpuram. AC induction motor. AC induction motor works on a principle of a Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction.
It's perfect for electrical work and other tasks requiring wire cutting. Remember to wear gloves for safety. Gloves protect your hands from sharp edges and provide a better grip, reducing the risk of AC induction. Motors work on electromagnetic induction principles. These motors are widely used in various applications due to their robustness and efficiency. The rotating magnetic field is a key concept in their operation. When alternating current flows through the stator windings, it creates a rotating magnetic field. This field induces a current in the rotor, causing it to turn. The interaction between the magnetic fields of the stator and rotor generates torque, which drives the motor. Understanding this principle is crucial for grasping how AC motors function. The motor consists of a stator and rotor. AC induction motors are available in single-phase and three-phase configurations. Single-phase motors are typically used in residential and light commercial applications where the power demand is relatively low. They are simpler in design and generally more cost-effective for smaller loads. On the other hand, three-phase motors are commonly found in industrial and heavy commercial settings. These motors are more efficient and capable of handling higher power loads, making them ideal for large machinery and equipment. Understanding
Parts of AC induction motor. This is end seal, this is bearing, this is rotor, this is field winding, this is cast iron frame or yoke, this is conduit box, this is fan cover or end cover.
Anything you say was to piece of muscle carry.